Hey YouTube, if you want to see me slay this, not just really light makeup look, watch to the end. If you guys want to see me slay this. Look at that highlight. Oh yes, I slayed that one.
Cause I don't need no fraud, I don't need no drama when you call, I don't need no lies. Pick a side, I took the prize and lift that bitch up.
What's up YouTube? You already know it's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm back with another one, yeah, and I'm back with another lit makeup tutorial. Today I will be doing something pretty and light. So today is Thursday. I was supposed to do it on Tuesday, but Tuesday I was very busy, so makeup Thursday, yeah. Before this video starts, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. So everyone, my eyebrows have grew back. People that have been on my channel since day one know that a few months ago I cut them off, so it was something I was doing. I actually didn't arch them right, and I was just like, skip it. But they're back and they're ready to get shaded in. So I think today I'm just going to do some shading, but I'm going to do my eyes off camera, so I'll be right back. So I'm back with my eyebrows done. I mean, they not the best, but I mean, they're nice. So today I'm going to be going in with my Duo primer, and this is AOA Poreless Primer and Mattifying Primer, and these two primers go together. I have had these primers for well over a month, but I haven't really used them. I would say 2 months, something like that, but I haven't really used it. So you're supposed to go in with the Poreless Primer first, of course, because you guys always see me go in with this one first. And one thing I like about these primers is they smell really good. So now I'm just going with the mattifying primer. The mattifying primer really mattes your face, kind of cover up your lines, your pores, everything. So I love this one. And they give you a really nice matte look, and I have oily skin, so that's perfect for me. One thing I could say is that I've been doing a lot of things to improve my makeup. So as my makeup gets better and improve, I just hope you guys enjoy that, because from when I first started until now, I'm way better with it. So that's wonderful. So now I'm going to do my eyes, and since this is just a really light makeup look, I'm not going to do nothing much, but I'm going to be doing the new method. And I've seen this, so I'm going to try it to see how well it works. Because I'll tell you one thing I do not like is getting my my eye stuff everywhere. So this method worked. This is the liner, panty liner, but this method did work. I just put that on there with the brush, but the method did work. I don't have anything on my face, which I love. So I'm going to go right on in with my golden palette from CoverGirl True Naked. I'm going to take that dark brown color right at the bottom. Oh no, everyone. Be right back. I'm going to prime. And I'm going to use that color as my transition color. Just want to do like that, as you guys see. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to blend this color in with the transition color. And that's the first color I'm blended in with the transition color. Then I'm going to take this color, and I'm going to also blend this one more in with the transition color. This one is like a little sort of gold looking, but it brings like the warmth back to the eye to me. And then I'm going to go in with this really cute brown. It's like a brown, and this is the gold palette, the golden palette. So it's like a really cute golden brown. And I'm just going to put that brown right there. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm just going to bluff all of that out. And then, boom, take it off. I have the stuff that's on there, but once again, my face is anything wrong with it. So that is the eye to the natural look. Now with my foundations, I'm going in with the Fit Me foundations in both colors. Okay, that started off not right. And I'm using my Kabuki brush, and this is the AOA Studio High Def Brush F1. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to bring this tone down. What well, actually no. I would just rather not just go ahead and not what's that called. Okay, I'm gonna put on another layer. That was a really thin layer. And I'm gonna take my high def brush, E101 brush, and this is the duo to this brush. I'm gonna take that and I'm just going to set my eyes, but it's not gonna be like too much as you guys see. I'm gonna just go ahead and set them. And then I'm just going to set the rest of my face with contour. Just a little bit. See? Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this big fluffy brush. And this is my AOA Studio F12 brush. And I'm going to go in with that dark, yes, the darkest color in this palette for me. I'm just going to put that everywhere. Okay. So now I'm going to go in with my blush, and I'm going to go in my Sturdy palette. I'm going to take my AOA Studio F. This is the wrong one. No, this is the right one. I'm going to take my F13 brush. Leland. I'm going to go in with this brown color. And after the brown, I think today I'm going to take a leap and go with that, the red one. But I'm going to go in with the brown first. This brown color, when I first found out about this, I was like, why haven't I been using this sooner? Because it's like, it's a really nice blush for me, my skin color. Well, I am as a dark latte. And the best thing I like about this is you can add color. Watch. And next I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to contour. And the reason why I contour first is because I've been doing something a little different. But I'm going to take my two contour colors and I'm just going to contour. I'm going to like start from the back and kind of bring it on. But I don't want to make my contour too deep because this is a natural look. So I don't want to make my contour too deep. So next I'm going in with my highlight, and I'm going to take a Muse, and this is Cosmetics highlight, a Muse Cosmetic highlight. And this highlight is a really highlight that's good for me. So I'm not going to take a lot because I don't need a lot. This highlight is the truth. This highlight is like really the truth though. Gosh, just look at that highlight. I did that. I didn't do too much. So like I said, you know, I've been really taking my steps, and I've just been doing what I gotta do. And if that means starting off light and building up, that's how I'm going to do it to get it to where I want it to be, as natural looking as possible. Now it's time for the lips. So I'm going to take this lip pencil. And I feel like when you do like this, and you extend your lips and spread it out more, you can have a better crease. Well, a better shape of y'all lips. Y'all see that? So I'm going in with this purple. I'm not going to make it too deep because I'm also going to be using another color, but as you guys see, the purple isn't too deep. I like it. I like the way it blends in with my lip liner. That's why normally I'm going like with a more nuder color. I like to put the eyeliner all over, the lip liner all over my lips first. Now I'm going to go in with this diamond lip gloss. And this is Glacier. I love the sparkle to this. And that's basically the end result. You guys, this is the end result. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to leave suggestions in the comment area. It's your girl, one and only Shay, and I'm out.